Alfa Romeo's new 33 Stradale model continues to make a huge impact in the automotive world. This unique vehicle, which will be produced in a limited run of only 33 units, brings together the passion for Italian engineering and aesthetics. Revisiting the design elements of the original 33 Stradale launched in 1967, this model combines the classic with the modern. It attracts attention not only with its exterior but also with its 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine. Its over 620 horsepower engine produces Alfa Romeo's characteristic roar sound. Alfa Romeo recorded the sound of this powerful engine during dynamic tests and shared it with fans on social media.